Good day, students. Today I want to solve problem that involve logarithm and antilogarithm with the use of mathematical table. This is what we call mathematical and statistical tables and formula. We are going to use it to solve this problem. Always take note that we are making use of logarithm of numbers. Don't make use of natural logarithm of numbers. We are making use of logarithm of numbers and anti-logarithms of numbers. Okay, now let's start. We're starting with the first one. When you have q like this, it means multiplication, and this multiplication in between means that you're going to add the two together. While cube root means division. When you have this square root, it means divide by 2, this divide by 3. Okay, this division means you are subtracting. Okay, let's start with the first one. 39.8 cube. This is the numbers before the decimal is called the characteristics, integer, or whole number. After decimal, we call it decimal. These decimal numbers or mantissa. Okay, how many whole number do we have here? 1, 2. 2. You always subtract 1 from that whole number. 1, 2, that's 2 minus 1, that is 1 point. Now check 39 under 8. 39 under log number, 39 under 8. You can see it. We have the 39 here under 8. You can see the 8 at the top. You trace it. 39 under 8. We have 5999. There's no differences. If there's differences, you just add the difference to whatever you get. When you trace it, you have 5999 multiply by 3. When you do that, you multiply, you have 4.7997. That's that. Now let's go to the second one. The cube root of 61.8. Now, number of digits here. The integer is 1, 2. There are two numbers minus 1. That's 1 point. Now check 61. 61 under 8. 61 under 8. You trace it. This 61, there's 8 here top. At the top, 61 under 8. You have 7910. 7910. There's no difference. There's no fourth digit. The fourth digit, there's no fourth digit. You will not look for the difference because of this 3 divided by 3. When you divide it, you have 0.5970. That's it. 0.5970. Now bring these two together because of this multiplication. Now 39.8 is power 3 times cube root of 61.8. That means that we are going to add the two. Multiplication means addition. If it is subtraction, that is here. If it is division, that is here, you subtract. Okay, but because it's multiplication, we are adding it. Now add these two together. Now that you have 4.7997 plus 0.5970. Okay, when you add that, you have 7. 9 plus 7, that's 16. 6 carry 1. 9 plus 19 plus 1, 19. Carry 1. 7 plus 5, that is 12. Plus 1, that you carry from there, that's 13. carry 1, bring the 1 here, 1 plus 4, 4 plus 0 is 4 plus 1, that's 5. That's the addition. Now let's come to the down one. Okay, we're having 3.33 squared. We have one digit here, 1 minus 1, that is 0. Okay, get the characteristics first. Now you now check 33. When you get the characteristics here, now you can bring them together. 33 under 3, 33 under logarithm of numbers, 33 under 3, that's 50. You can see it, 33. Now trace it, we have 3 at the top, 33 under 3, that is 5224, 5224 times 2. You multiply that, we are having 1.0448. Okay, now let's check the other one, 6.15. It has one digit, 1 minus 1, that is 0, 0 points. I told you always subtract 1 from what you have here. It's not 6 minus 1. How many digits do we have here? 1 digit. 1 minus 1 give us 0. Now check 61. Join them together, 61 under 5. Check it. 61 under logarithm of number. 61. On to the other side. 61 under 5. We are having 7889. 7889. Okay, 7889. For that, you now bring them together. Multiplication, you have to add them together. Okay, before we divide by 2. Square root means divide by 2. Now 3.33 squared times 6.15. Now add them together. 1.0448 plus 0.7889. Let's do the addition. 9 plus 8 plus 9, 17. 7 carry 1. 8 plus 4, 12 plus 1, 13. 3 carry 1. 8 plus 4, 13 plus 1. 8 plus 4, 12 plus 1, 13. 3 carry 1. Bring the 1 here. 7 plus 0 is 7 plus 1, 8. Okay, plus 1 plus 0, that's 1. Good. Now you can now find the square root because of this. Let's bring it inside the square root. 3.33 squared times 6.15. Now 1.8337 divided square root means 2. By 2. Square root means that you are dividing by 2. Okay. Now when you divide that, you have 0.9169. That's just value for that, 0.9169. Now come back to the code. We are going to do the subtraction, bring the two together. We have 39.8 cube raised to power 3 times cube root of 61.8, everything divided by square root of 3.33 squared times 6.15. Let's see the value for this, which is this. The value for this is this 5.3967 because of this division minus the down one, which is this. The value is this 0.9169. Do a subtraction. When you do that, 7 minus 9 possible. Borrow one from here. 17. 17 minus 9, that's 8. Okay, now we are left with 5 here because borrow one from 6. We are left with 5. 5 minus 6 is impossible. We borrow one from 9. We are left with 8. We are left with 8. We borrow one from here. Okay, this one becomes 15. 15 minus 6, that's 9. This one we're left with 8. 8 minus 1, 7. 3 minus 9 impossible. Borrow one from 5. We are left with 4. This one turns to 13. 13 minus 9, that's 4. That's 4. I left with 4 here. That's 4.4798. Now from there you look for the antilog. Go to the antilog table. In the antilog table, please don't make mistake of going to natural logarithm place. On the antilog table, you go to 47, check 47.47, 0.47 under 9, 0.47 under 9, 0.47 under 9, we are in 3013, 0.47 under 9, differences of 8. You can see the 8 there. Under 8, you trace it, is 0.47 under 9. Trace it down where the two of them meet. You write the value down, which is 3013. Now check differences of 8. Trace it down to the 0.47. We are having 5. Bring it here and add them together. We are having 3018. Now anytime you are looking for the antilog and you have a positive integer here and you are looking for the antilog, you add 1. Automatically you add 1 to this 4, making 5. Okay, when it's a positive integer, you now shift 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Add 1 is 0. Okay, means the answer is 30180. And now shift, if you want to turn it to standard form, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 3.018 times 10 raised to the power 4. Okay, you either stop here or you write it like this, still the same. Okay, shift. Now if it is less than, let me say it is 2, that is here, plus 1, 2 plus 1, so you have it 3. You now shift like 1, 2, 3. You put decimal here, no need of adding 0. It's because the number, what you counted, when you add 1 to it, making 5, what you counted, when you shift 1, 2, 3, 4, is more than what you have. That's why we had 1, 0 to complete the 5 that we have. When you add 1 to this 4, automatically you must add 1 to the characteristics before when you get your antilog numbers, just add 1 0 to it when it exceeds what you have. Okay, this is the end of our class. Please subscribe to my channel so that you can have access to the latest video. Have a wonderful day.